Hi there everybody, so in this video I have this Audi A3 2010. I'm just gonna change the pollen filter here. This is the pollen filter I have. Hengst, and this basically is located in the under the passenger dash here by the footwell. And what we need to do is we need to remove these little tabs here. Just need to unscrew them really. There's two of them. So there's another one just there. So take those two out, and then we can take this cover out. So this just dropped out, so maybe it wasn't in properly, but basically this comes out of there, slides out basically, and you can remove your pollen filter. So this one is quite dirty, hasn't been done in a while. Okay, so just fit your new one the same way the old one came out. So it just needs to go into that hole up there. Push it in there. Like so, and then we have our cover here. Cover needs to go up there. And slide and close. Then we can put this cover back on. And that's it. So, well, hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.